Hello students, today we discuss about the prelim examination question paper 2020-21 Science and Technology Part 1. Now first of all the students read these notes carefully. All questions are compulsory. Use of a calculator is not allowed. The numbers to the right of the questions indicate full marks. Fourth one, in case of MCQs, question number 1A, only the first attempt will be evaluated and will be given credit. For each MCQ, the correct alternatives A, B, C, D with sub-question numbers is to be written as an answer. For example, first option correct answer is A, so only write first A. Second option correct answer is B, so write only second B. Third C, like that, etc. Scientifically correct labeled diagram should be drawn whenever necessary. So question first A is for 5 marks, that is the MCQs question. Whatever the questions given, you write the answer in that given instruction as per the given instruction. First one, if the distance between two bodies becomes half, the gravitational force between them becomes dash. So out of these 4 options, select which one is the correct. I think answer is fourth one, 4 times. Second, which is the device used for producing current? So answer is generator. So C option is correct. Fourth one, a ray of light strikes the glass slab at an angle of 50 degrees. What is the angle of incidence? So don't confuse here. That angle is formed with the glass slab and incident ray. So angle of incidence means the angle made between normal and incident ray. So answer is B, that is the 40 degree. What is the nature of aluminum oxide? All of you know that. Aluminum oxide shows the nature amphoteric in nature, so answer A is correct. And fifth MCQ question, in which block of the modern periodic table are the non-metals found? So answer is a D, that is the P block. So in which way you are writing the answer, I will show on my answer sheet. See here. So here all the answers are that you write in this pattern. Now this part is not needed. Don't write any answer that is given in objective. Your answer is like this way. First A, that is the first option, D correct. Second C correct. Third one B. Fourth one A. And fifth one D. Write your answer in this pattern only. No need to write this part. Clear all of you? Yes. Next. Now next question is given. Now see that what is the next question. First B given. First B question is also for 5 marks. Answer the following. Any type of objective asked there. First one, what is the value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity? Find the odd one out. 4 options are given. No need to write the reason here. No justification. So voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, thermometer. So I think voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, I think these are related to electricity, but thermometer is not related to electricity. Next answer, I think thermometer. All of you know that what is the value of G? First option, G is acceleration due to gravity, so answer is 9.8 meter per second square. Correlation analogy is given. Mirror, what happened in case of mirror? Reflection of light. So in case of prism, what is happened there? Dispersion of light. State true or false. If you are writing direct answer, then also okay. The electric bulb consists of the filament whose melting point is high. Answer is true. And fourth one, name the following the fleshy screen behind the cornea. So what is the answer? Don't confuse. So if your textbook reading isn't proper, so you are writing the answers of these objective answers. Now see how to write the answers. See, first one, the value of small g is 9.8 meter per second square, 1 mark. Direct you write the answer of that odd one out, that is thermometer, 1 mark. Now in correlation write proper answer and underline that. So mirror, reflection of light, prism, dispersion of light, underline that properly. In true or false, if you are writing the question with answer, then also okay. Otherwise you write direct answer, that answer is true. And last one, answer is Iris. In this way your first question of 10 marks completed here within very less time. Don't waste more time in this case. Now question number 2A. Give scientific reasons, attempt any 2 out of 3. First give reason is given here. One can sense colors only in bright light. Second, atomic radius goes on increasing down a group. And third one, generally the ionic compounds have high melting point. So see there, always you write the answer point wise. Check here. First one, so you answer right point wise. The retina in our eyes is made of different cells such as rod shape and cone shape. The rod shaped cells responds to intensity of light and send the information to brain. Third point, while cone shaped cells send information of different colors of light to the brain. That is an important function of cone shaped cells. And fourth point, rod-like cells are sensitive for a faint light also, whereas the conical cells do not respond to faint light, and that's why we can sense the color in bright light only. Second, so marks are shown. Four points are related to this question, so each point carry the half mark, 2 marks for each answer. Second, for an isolated atom, atomic radius, you write the definition of atomic radius, so you are getting 1 mark. Atomic radius is the distance between the center of the nucleus of the atom and the outermost shell. Second and third point you merge. As we move from top to bottom in a group, number of shells increases, so the outermost electron goes further and further from the nucleus, extending the radius and ultimately increasing the size of the atom, even though the nuclear charge increases. All are getting? So as per like these points, you are getting the 2 marks. Third, give reason. Ionic compounds are composed of cations, means positive ions, and anions, means negatively charged ions. These ions are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction. So you are getting 1 mark for these points. And second, considerable amount of energy is required to break these strong forces of attraction. Clear all of you? So you are getting 1 more mark, and hence always you write at the last point, hence question. So in this way you complete the second A question, that is related to give reason. Next one, B part, second B question, second B, answer the following any 3. 5 options are given. First one is a numerical problem. An electric bulb is connected to 250 volt, that is a potential difference is given. If the current of 0.5 ampere, current I is equal to given 0.5 ampere passes through it, so find out the power of that bulb. Now given below the diagrams of light ray incident normally at the boundary between two media. Observe, so observe and write the respective rule. So in question this word is given observe, so these diagrams not needed to draw in your answer sheet, only observe and respective diagram, whatever the question asks that you write. So respective rules we are writing about these 2 diagrams. In first E diagram, that is that incident ray passing from rarer medium to denser medium. So what happened? That you write the rule respect to this rule diagram. In second diagram B, light passing from denser medium to rarer medium. So what happened about here? So that you write these 2 rules. Next, identify reductants and oxidants in the following reaction. So in that, so write down these reactions as it is in your answer sheet, and in that box write down that is oxidant or reductant. So half mark for each box. In this way you are getting 2 marks. Next, fourth option, check there. Identify the carbon chain type for each of the following compounds A and B, like this given. So directly you write down the answer, so no need to draw this diagram, structural formula of the given hydrocarbon compounds. Clear? If you draw the diagram then also okay, otherwise don't waste your time. Directly A is what type of carbon chain is that, and B is equal to what type of carbon chain, that you write in your answer. Complete the following table. Types of satellites are given, that is a broadcast satellite and navigational satellite. So 4 fill-ups are given, each fill-up carry the half mark, so 2 mark question is there. This is the fifth option in question number 2nd B. Functions of the satellite, respective satellites function you write it there, and name of Indian satellite series and their launch vehicles. So write the answer in proper way. So I will show answer how to write these answers. Check here. First one. Always you solve the numerical problem in this pattern. First of all, after reading the question, write down the given. Potential difference V, that is indicated by the letter V, is equal to 250 volt. Current I is equal to 0.5 ampere, and what we find out, power of the bulb. In short, write down power P equal to question mark. So this much you are right given, and to find you are getting half mark. Then write down the formula P related to this. So power P is equal to the product of potential difference V multiplied by current I. So P equal to VI. This is a formula. You are write the correct formula, you are getting half mark. Solution. Always you write down these titles given to find formula and solution. Now in solution, substitute the value at the correct places. So P is equal to V is 250 multiplied by I is 0.5. So you are after multiplication you are getting the answer. So substitute these values, you are getting half mark, and our final answer with the proper unit you are getting half mark. Clear all of you? So P is equal to 125 watt, because watt is the SI unit of power. And at the last, those students are clever students, write the final answer in a proper words. Power of the electric bulb is 225 watt. You write down the capital W, otherwise write down the word also, W-A-T-T, watt. Clear? Now second answer. Respective diagram, we are writing the rules here. In first diagram, that is the A diagram, light ray passing from rarer to denser. So what happened, all of you know that when a light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Underline this sentence, last sentence. It bends towards the normal. You are getting 1 mark. And in B diagram, when a light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So you underline, it bends away from the normal. This is the correct answer. So you are getting 1 more mark. So in this way you are getting 2 marks for that answer. Now write down that reactions as it is from your question paper, and in that boxes write down the oxidants and reductants. Clear? Now in case of PbO, that is a lead oxide. So from this lead oxide react with carbon. So role of the carbon is to remove the oxygen from that PbO. That's why C is a reductant and PbO is act as an oxidant. In second reaction, 5 oxygens are given here. So oxygen is present, that is consider that is oxidant. So second reactant is acting the role like to remove that oxygen from the second reactant. That's why here NH3, that is the ammonia, act as a reductant and oxygen is act as an oxidant. Clear? Next. Now carbon chain type. A type is given there. 4 carbons are in a straight chain and 1 is not in a chain in straight line. That's why first carbon chain is a branch chain, and second one, all carbons are in a straight line. So second chain is a straight chain. So you are writing these two words, you are getting 2 marks. Now complete the table. So function of the first satellite is, that is a broadcast satellite, telecasting of television program, and name of Indian satellite series is INSAT and GSAT, and launch vehicle name is GSLV. Half mark you are getting. You are writing the function half mark, and second column that Indian satellite series and launch vehicle names, you are getting one more half mark. Clear? Navigational satellite function is fix the location of any place on the Earth's surface in terms of its very precise latitude and longitude. This is the function of this satellite. And Indian satellite series name is IRNSS and launch vehicle name is PSLV. In this way you are getting half plus half, 1 mark. So in this way question number 2 is completed here. Next, question number 3. Check there. 8 options are given here. In question number 3 you attempt any 5 options. So first one, write the 3 Kepler's law. Write the 3 Kepler's laws. So we know that there are 3 laws: Kepler's first law, second law and third law. So you are getting 3 marks for the answer. Observe the diagram. Now see here, for an electric motor as shown in the figure, observe it and write down the answer. So A, B, C, D. What A and B? I think split ring, and C and D are the carbon brushes. So you are getting 1 mark. See there, what are the marks given? 3 marks question, yes. So you are writing the A and B is the split ring, half mark. C and D carbon brushes, half mark. What is the function of A and B? So write down the function of split rings. State the uses of C and D, means write the uses of carbon brushes. Next question. First of all we are reading the question and then afterward I will dictate all the answers. Given figure represent the formation of a rainbow in the sky. So that above arrow is labeled as a and second ray is shown there, that is indicated as a letter B in that raindrop, and whole phenomena is what is there. This is the formation of rainbow. What type of phenomenon process occur in that raindrop? That is the C label. So label A and B of the given diagram. Which color deviates most through that water drop, and which phenomenon is shown with label C. In this way you are writing the answers of this ABC. You are getting 3 marks. Next question, option number 4. Tanushree from standard 10 uses spectacles. The power of the lenses of in her spectacle is minus 2.5 diopter. Answer the following questions. State the types of lenses used in her spectacles. Name the defect of vision Tanushree is suffering from, and find the focal length of the lenses used in her spectacles. Fifth option, observe the given figure and answer the following questions. So I think in this diagram communication satellite is showing, because there 2 persons are communicate with the help of their mobile phones. How is that possible? Because of communication satellite. So which type of satellite shown in the figure? Describe the phenomenon seen in the figure and what is attached to the wings of the satellite. Clear? Now sixth option. The atomic masses of the 3 elements A, B and C having similar chemical properties are 7, 23 and 39 respectively. So calculate the average atomic mass of the element B. Compare the average atomic mass of B with its atomic mass, and option number C is on the next page. See that. What could the element A, B and C be? Means which are of these elements? Seventh option. Study the following figure and answer the questions given below. Study the following figure. So no need to draw this figure in your answer sheet. Observe and write the answers. A option is there. Give the chemical formulae of calcium carbonate and lime water. Name the gas evolved when calcium carbonate is heated, and identify the type of chemical reaction occurring in the first test tube. Clear? All are getting? Numbers are given. Left side test tube is the number 1 and right side test tube is the number 2 test tube. Clear? Next. 8th option, complete the following reactions. So reactants are given. As per the knowledge, as per our study, we are writing the correct formulas, correct balance reaction and correct formula we write in that boxes. So I will show the answer of question number 3 now. Okay. Now see the question number 3. sorry, our question number 3 start from here. Yes, attempt any 5 options, 3 marks for each option. Now 3 Kepler's law. Kepler's first law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. This is the first one. You are getting 1 mark. Kepler's second law. The line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. 1 mark. Kepler's third law. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. 1 mark. Second option, A sub question is given. Part A and B is the split rings. C and D are the carbon brushes. Half of mark, 1 mark. Function of A and B means function of split rings. What is the function? Reverses the direction of the current in the coil. 1 mark. Uses of C and D, that is the uses of carbon brushes to press the split rings on the axle. That red color is the answer. Left side is the already given in question. So as per the title, you write the answer in this way. In this way, you are getting 3 marks. Third option, in that raindrop, label A means red color light and label B means violet color light. Half of mark, 1 mark. B1, which color deviates more? I think violet color. That you only write, 1 mark. And label C is total internal reflection, 1 mark. You are getting 3 marks for the answer. Fourth option, A sub question is given. What type of lens in her spectacle? That is a concave lens, 1 mark. That Tanushree is sufferer from which defect? That is a myopia or a nearsightedness, 1 mark. And find the focal length. So we know the formula. Option number C. Power P is equal to 1 upon focal length. So focal length, interchange these letters. So focal length is equal to 1 upon power is equal to 1 upon minus 2.5 is given there. So minus 0.5 meter. So focal length of the lens of her lens is equal to minus 0.4 meter. Convert into centimeters, so minus 40 centimeter. Final answer also you write in words. Focal length is 40 centimeter. That minus sign only indicate that what type of lens is that. That is a concave lens. And focal length of concave lens is negative. That's why that minus sign indicate that that is the concave lens. In this way you are getting the marks for you write the formula of power, half mark, and final answer is half mark. In this way you are getting the 3 marks. Next. That satellite is shown in the figure, that is a communication satellite. So we are writing the phenomenon. See that. Second option, the signals are transmitted from the earth base transmitter to the satellite. These signals are then transmitted to the mobile tower or phone directly from satellite. In this way, the satellite helps in establishing communication between different parts of the world. So you are getting half a mark for these 2 points that is given in the second option, that is a B. And C answer is photovoltaic panels are attached on both the sides of that satellites. So that is they are working on solar energy. So 1 mark. Clear all of you? So next option. Average atomic mass of B is equal to 7 plus 39 divided by 2, 46 divided by 2. Answer is 23. You are getting 1 mark. Second answer. Average atomic mass of B is equal to atomic mass of element B. 1 mark. And which elements of this ABC? So A is a lithium, B is a sodium, and C is a potassium. So you write down the symbol or name of these elements. So first 2 are writing, then half mark, and last one you are writing. So out of these 3 names, if you are only writing the 2 names, you are getting only half mark, but you all write 3 names, so you are getting full 1 mark. Clear all of you? Be carefully. Carefully you write your answers as per the presentation here. Seventh option. So in that reactions shown in the test tube, We are writing the formula of calcium carbonate, that is a CaCO3, half mark. Second formula, lime water, CaOH twice, half mark, 1 mark you are getting. Which gas is released there? So carbon dioxide. We write the name or formula, yeah, both. Formula is CO2, you are getting 1 mark. And what type of reaction occur in that test tube? So decomposition reaction, 1 mark. So in this way you are getting the 3 marks here. You represent your answer in the same way in your final board exam. Last option number 8, complete the following reaction. Now see that. Cl2 chlorine is in a gaseous state, react with water, liquid state, then to form HOCl and HCl. 2 types of acids are formed here. So you are getting half mark for these 2. Next, Z and zinc react with HCl hydrochloric acid. It is in aqueous state, that is dilute acid. So release the hydrogen gas in gaseous state plus Z and Cl2 in aqueous state. First of all, suppose you are writing ZnCl2 in the first box and hydrogen gas in the second. No, don't confuse. Anywhere you write down the answer. Clear? Position is also interchange, then also correct, no problem. Half mark you are getting. And third reaction is CuSO4, that is a copper sulfate, react with ion Fe, then to form Cu plus FeSO4, or you write FeSO4 plus Cu. You are getting half mark for your answer. In this way, question number 3 is completed here. Last question number 4 now. Check that. Answer the following, any one. Complete the following table. Common names are given here. Second, condensed structure formula you write and IUPAC names. First one is acetaldehyde. Second, methylamine. Third one is not given. So IUPAC name of the third given in the last column, that is 1-chloropropane. This is IUPAC name. We are writing the common name here. Fourth one, that is D-ethyl bromide and ethyl methyl ketone. So how many fill-ups are there? Each fill-up you are carry half mark. You are getting half mark for each fill-up. 10 fill-ups are there, so 5 mark question is given here. And last one. So in question number 4, 2 options are given. You write any one for 5 marks. So complete the given chart. So you draw the chart as it is, as shown in the question paper. Specific heat. Specific heat denoted by what? That later you write in that box. In second one, write down the formula. Third box, write down the SI unit. Next one, CGS unit. And write the definition of specific heat in the last box. So I will show the answer of these last 2 questions. Check that. Question number 4. Write any one for 5 marks. Acetaldehyde, first one. Its condensed structure formula is CS3CHO and its IUPAC name is ethanol. So you are getting half mark. See the mark scheme also given on the right side in the circles. Second, methylamine is a common name. Its condensed formula, structure formula is CS3NH2 and its IUPAC name is methanamine. Third one, IUPAC name is given 1-chloropropane. So its condensed structural formula is CS3CH2CH2Cl and its common name is N-propyl chloride. Fourth one, ethyl bromide, CS3CH2Br. This is the condensed formula and IUPAC name is bromoethane. And ethyl methyl ketone, its structural condensed formula is CS3COOCH2CH3 and its IUPAC name is butanone. 4 carbons are given there. So as per the theory or some rules are given in our textbook, we are write the answer like this way. We are complete this our table. So we are getting the 5 marks. Second option, complete the following chart. So specific heat denoted by letter small letter C, 1 mark. Its formula is delta T degree Celsius is equal to M multiplied by C multiplied by delta T. M means mass of that substance, C is a specific heat, and delta T is a increase or decrease the temperature. SI unit is joule per kilogram degree Celsius, 1 mark. CGS unit is calorie per gram degree Celsius, 1 more mark. And last one, write down the definition. So what is the definition of specific heat? Right, see there. The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of an object by 1 degree Celsius is called the specific heat of that object. As per the textbook, whatever the definition, rules or laws given in our textbook, that you write, because that is the scientific language. We are not changing any sentence or that format. So in this way you complete your 40 marks paper of the science 1 subject properly. So in this way you write the correct answers and your presentation is required proper in your answer sheet. Thank you. Best of luck.